let's explore the full development lifecycle with GitHub Copilot, starting with how quickly you can generate functional applications. With Copilot, you can start with a complete boilerplate application by using natural language prompts in the chat window. For example, you could type, build a tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript where the player plays against the computer and the player plays first. Remarkably, Copilot will respond by generating an entire project structure, creating folders, files, and writing functional code in those files. In most cases, you'll actually get a working application right away without writing a single line of code yourself. From this foundation, developers can then enhance the game with custom colors, titles, and additional content. More importantly, you can extend the functionality using various Copilot features. These include inline chat for targeted code improvements, slash commands for specific actions, generating unit tests to ensure code quality, and intelligent code completion as you continue development. To complete your project with Copilot, you can ask the tool to perform a comprehensive review of your codebase. GitHub Copilot can analyze your game application and provide detailed feedback on potential improvements, bugs, or optimization opportunities. In many cases, Copilot will make specific suggested changes that you can implement with just a click, streamlining the code refinement process significantly. Copilot comes with a plethora of capabilities both for code development and for administration. Let's examine the core code development features that make this tool particularly valuable for developers. The chat feature of Copilot is, as the name suggests, a conversational type tool and is perhaps the most important for developers. Chat can analyze a developer's code input and begin to develop a sense of your coding style based on that input. From there, the tool offers increasingly contextual suggestions tailored to your approach. Copilot allows developers to execute, refine, and validate pull requests directly from the coding environment. After code appears in the IDE, Copilot can assist in interacting directly with GitHub, making the version control workflow more seamless. As app developers, we've grown accustomed to code completion within our IDEs, but traditionally these suggestions were based solely on the documentation that comes with the programming language. With Copilot, we can take code completion to the next level, leveraging patterns and approaches from millions of real-world implementations by other programmers. Copilot is accessible via a mobile application, providing users with a more convenient and portable means of engaging with the tool. This means that even outside of the IDE, you can continue to engage with your application through Copilot, maintaining productivity wherever you are. Security in Copilot is itself AI-based. It scans for common coding vulnerabilities like SQL injection. When enabled, this feature can also manage certain code blocks that are protected but exist in the public space, helping maintain security standards. In addition to the security filter, Copilot can offer references to similar code on GitHub in real time, providing examples and patterns that relate to what you're currently writing. IP indemnity represents a contractual agreement between the developer, Microsoft, and GitHub, where the provider commits to legally defend the code suggestions that the tool makes. This provides an additional layer of confidence for professional developers. While Copilot is powerful, it's important to understand its limitations. Developers may encounter code suggestions that are vulnerable to security issues like SQL injection. Suggested code may be incomplete, perhaps missing crucial elements like an else clause in a conditional statement. The quality and efficiency of generated code can vary significantly depending on the complexity of the task. Copilot's analysis may sometimes fail to diagnose the broader context of a project or grasp the intended business logic. This can result in technically correct but less relevant code suggestions that don't align with your specific requirements. Keep in mind that the tool is still learning, so very complex code structures or domain-specific applications may present challenges for Copilot. Like many other AI tools, Copilot is trained using available public code repositories. This training approach means that suggested code may occasionally include copyrighted or sensitive code patterns. Additionally, code suggestions may not always adhere to best security practices or conform to your organization's specific style guidelines and standards. It's crucial to remember that while Copilot is an exceptional assistant, it doesn't replace developer judgment. The tool is designed to augment human developers, not replace them. All suggestions should be reviewed carefully, particularly for security-sensitive applications or when working with personal data. Understanding these limitations will help you use Copilot more effectively while maintaining code quality and security.